Hi, this is Leslie from Berry Birdie, and today I'm going to show you how I make my super micro mini Dresdens. Now first I start off with my Dresden blade, and this one is a bit bigger than the actual blade really is. It's probably about a 1-inch square, and I put this in the machine this way so that I can have something to hold on to, because it makes it really hard when I have just a tiny little square. Once I've stitched across the top and I turn it over, then I actually trim them to just 3/4 of an inch long, and then I start stitching them by hand. So I've just started a first few blades here, and I finger press the next blade that's going on, line it up with the previous blade, and then I hand stitch 1/4 of an inch from the tip to where I start to stitch. And then I kind of use this seam right here as a guide, and I stitch just down at an angle there, as tiny as I possibly can. Super little stitches. And then if I need to, I will trim off some of this excess fabric here at the end. And then I will also trim off this side piece, then fold it back, and then I will also stitch it down on the back. So I'll do about 3 stitches just to hold it down on the back, just to tack it down. And then you're ready to sew on the next piece. So you just keep going. Take your next piece. Let's use this pretty purple one. Finger press it. Lay it on top and do the same thing. And then just work your way all the way around until you're back to the beginning, and you'll have your super tiny little Dresden.